In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Power BI Desktop using a CSV file. This process is straightforward but vital for setting up your data analysis in Power BI. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to confidently bring your data into Power BI, ready to create insightful reports and dashboards. Let's start by opening Power BI Desktop. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top of the screen. Here, you'll find the Home tab, which is your starting point for many activities in Power BI. Now look for the Get Data option within the ribbon. It's prominently placed and serves as the gateway for importing various types of data. Click on Get Data, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you will see a list of different options, but for our purposes today, we're focused on using a CSV file. Go ahead and select the Text CSV option. This selection sets the stage for importing a delimited or plain text data file. Once you click on Text CSV, a File Explorer window will pop up. This is your cue to locate the specific CSV file you wish to load into Power BI. Navigate through your computer's directories and folders until you find your desired file. Be meticulous during this step because selecting the correct file is crucial. Once you've successfully located your CSV file, click the Open button. This action tells Power BI to begin the process of preparing your file for import. Now Power BI will present you with a new window showing a preview of your data. This preview page is essential as it lets you verify that you've chosen the right file. Here, you will see several pieces of information, including the file origin and the type of delimiter being used. Delimiters are what separate your data within the file, such as a comma or tab, which is essential for reading the CSV correctly. You'll also notice a glimpse of your data through a few rows shown in the preview. Take a moment to ensure everything looks as expected, from the header names to the data format. If everything in the preview aligns with your expectations, it's time to proceed. You can now click the Load button. This action will import the data directly into your Power BI report, allowing you to move forward with analyzing and visualizing the data effectively. The data import process will complete quickly, and you'll soon have access to your dataset within Power BI's interface. And that's it! You've successfully brought your CSV data into Power BI, ready for the next steps of transforming it into powerful visuals and gaining insights that can drive decision making. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Happy analyzing!